Hello everyone, hello my viewers all over the world. Today we want to look at how to multiply any number base using number line system. It's as simple as ABC. This is for those who are really tired of converting to base 10 before going back to any base number that they were asked to convert to. So or those that know that are struggling to cram the method of the direct method that you were taught in school. So we want you to deploy this method of number line, and you don't need to cram. All you need to do is remember your number line, and you'll be okay with any number line. You can convert to any base you want to do without going through the long process of converting to base 10 first, then back to base 2. So what you need to do, you need to build the number line for the base that you're converting to. Like we have base 8 here, so we have to build a number line for base 8. Remember, when we say base 8, we're talking about 8 numbers or 8 symbols. I keep using the word symbols, or 8 symbols. So let's consider the symbol for numbering. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 in numbers. So we are counting our now 1, 2, 3. Under this with just these 8 symbols. So once we get to 7, we will not mention 8, we will not mention 9. We will just jump straight to 10, because anything that carries 8, 9 is not part of the counting system. So we'll avoid them all through, because this is the counting of base under base 8. So that is what we need to deploy. So we have 734 times 24 to multiply here. So let's see how it goes. Now I hope you remember number line. In our previous video, we said counting forward is addition, counting backward is what? Subtraction. But in multiplication, we consider the partition. So we don't count. It's counting forward, but considering what? The partition. Like between 0 and 1 is a partition, between 1 and 2 is a partition, between 2 and 3 is a partition. So we look at it, we can say interval, but anyone you want to use, I'm just trying to look for elementary word that will help you remember on time. So like for example, now if I want to multiply 2, right, times 2, that means I'm going to say partition this number line in twos. Partition it by 2 in 2 places. Partition it by 2 in 2 places. That means from here to this is one partition 1. Then I have another partition 2, because look at it, between 0 and 1 partition, then second partition, that's in twos. Partition it by 2 in 2 places. So I've done it, and I stop at 4. So the answer here is what? Is 4. That is how this one works. So it's by partition. So just bear that in mind, because we'll be using that to solve this problem. That's the secret behind the whole thing here. So let's see how we do this. So we're going to multiply this. So let's see how fast we're going to be. 4 times 4. That means we have to say 4 times 4. I have to partition this number line by 4 in 4 places. So by 4, that is 1, 2, 3, right? 4. Because if you look at it, that is the partition. So 4 times 4 gives us what? 20. So what do I do? I will write 0, carry 2, right? I'll write 0, carry 2. Now the next thing is to times 4 times 3. 4 times 3, of course, is 14. Plus these 2 I have here is 16. So it's 16, because 14, 15, 16. When you are plussing, you are counting straight. You're not considering partition. You are counting straight. So from 14, you have 15, 16. 14 plus 2 is 16. So I'll write my 6, carry. I'll write my 6, carry 1, right? Write my 6, carry 1. Then 4 times 7. So that means I have to continue counting now. So I've gotten 4 already. So I'll continue. 20, then 5. That is 5 now. Then this one is not up to, so 30 complete it. So I have 6. Then from 30 now to 34 is 7. That means 4 times 7 is 34. Remember, I kept 1 here. That is plus 1. That is 35. So you write your 35 there, right? So 35 there. So the next thing we want to do now is 2 times 4. So 2 times 4. So let me clean up this partition. Let me clean up the one for this 4, so that we can still use it for the other one. So 2 times 4. That means partition this number line by 2 in 4 places, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is 10. The answer is what? 10. What do I do? I'll write 0, carry. Okay, let me clean this one, because I'm done with this, so I can start entering out of this one. So carry 1. So the carry what? 1 because it's 10. So 2 times 3. Of course, from here I can tell 2 times 3 is what? 6 because I have 1, 2, 3. So it's 6. So 6 plus this one that I kept will give me 7, right? Good. Then the next thing is 2 times 4. 2 times 7, right? 2 times 7. Then I have to continue counting 2 times 7. That is 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 16. So I'll write my 16, 6 fours, right? I'll write my 16, 6 fours, then 1. That's the other way of that is it. So the next thing is to add them. So let's add. So 0 will come down. So I have 0. 6 will come down. 6 plus 0 remain 6. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 7. Sorry, 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7, that means from 5 will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 14. So 5 plus 7 is 14. What do I do? I'll write 4, right? Carry 1. Now 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 will give me what? 3 plus 6. So I will add. So 3 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. Plus this one that I left here, 12. I will write 2, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 will give me 2. So that is the answer. So the answer is what? 2, 2, right? 4, right? 6, 0. So if you get this as your answer, you are correct. You can try the other way around, you'll get the answer. Let's go to the next question. The next question, you can pause this one and try it yourself to see whether you can be able to get the answer. If you cannot, okay. If you get the answer, fine, congratulations. So then pause the video here and solve it yourself using this method. Now, this is base 6. So if you get this as your answer, you are correct. So please try and solve, pick a question and apply this method and solve it. You see, it's very easy and you can always remember it in the exam hall. You don't have to cram. You can just go straight and solve your work. Thank you.